Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use two Google Drive accounts on the same Windows PC. Whether you have one personal Google account and another for work, school, or business, you can easily access both without constantly signing in and out. This tutorial is suitable for Windows 10 and Windows 11 users, and the methods work for anyone using Google Drive. Let's get started. The first and best method is using Google Drive for desktop. If you haven't already installed it, download and install Google Drive for desktop from Google's official website. Once the installation is complete, sign in with your first Google account. After signing in, you'll notice the Google Drive icon in the Windows system tray, located at the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock. Click the Google Drive icon, then click the Settings or Gear icon and open Preferences. Depending on the version of Google Drive for desktop you have installed, you may see an option to add another Google account. If that option is available, click it and sign in with your second Google account. After both accounts are added, Google Drive will manage them separately, allowing you to access files from each account directly on your computer. If your version of Google Drive doesn't support adding multiple accounts, don't worry. There are other easy methods. The second method is using one account in Google Drive for desktop and the other in your web browser. Keep your primary Google account connected to Google Drive for desktop. Then, open your web browser and sign into your second Google account. You can open drive.google.com to access all the files stored in your second account without affecting the account already connected to Google Drive for desktop. This method is simple and works well if you only need to access the second account occasionally. The third method is one of the most convenient and highly recommended options, using separate browser profiles. If you use Google Chrome, click your profile picture in the top right corner of the browser. Select Add to create a new Chrome profile. Give the profile a name, choose an icon if you like, and then sign in with your second Google account. Now you'll have two completely separate browser profiles. One profile can be used for your personal Google account, while the other can be dedicated to your work or business account. Each profile has its own Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, YouTube account, bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, and extensions. This keeps everything organized and eliminates the need to switch accounts repeatedly. The fourth method is sharing files between your Google accounts. If you frequently need to access the same files from both accounts, simply share a folder from one Google account with the other. After accepting the shared folder invitation, you can add it to My Drive for easier access. This makes collaboration between your accounts much more convenient. That's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.